Screen flickering can be caused by a number of factors from simple connections issues to more complex hardware problems. So in this video we will walk you through a few easy solutions you can try to fix the flickering issue and get your PC back to normal. Before we start the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So as you can see, this is HDMI cable wire. It has been connected. Maybe the problem is the here. So first of all, you have to take it out, this HDMI cable wire. After that, you have to clean this wire. Maybe there is stick dust, or you can use another cable wire. So here, as you can see, I take another HDMI cable wire because I think that HDMI cable wire it's broken or maybe it's dirty. That's why I use another cable wire, and you have to insert on there which from where you have been taken out. Friends, if you have monitor multiple options to connect your HDMI, then you can try to connect another options, because maybe who knows that your HDMI 1 it's not working, 2 is working. That's why you just try from here the another option. So friends, after changing the cable, I'm going to turn on my PC. So here I have turned on. By following the process, as you can see, my problem is solved. The screen flickering that it's shown on the previous page, now it's not showing. It means it has been solved successfully. If after process your PC it's not working, then you can follow the another steps. If you are still seeing flickering on your screen after checking the cable and ports, the next thing is to check your computer's RAM. Dust and dirt can build up inside your PC, causing poor connections with the RAM, which may lead to screen issues like flickering. Open up your PC case and clean the RAM slots carefully. Be sure to turn off the PC and unplug it before doing any cleaning. If none of the above steps work, the problem could be related to your PC or CPU overheating. A faulty or overheated CPU can cause instability in your system, leading to issues like a screen flickering. Check the temperature of your CPU and make sure it's not overheating. You can clean the CPU fan and apply new thermal paste to ensure it runs smoothly. If the CPU is faulty, you may need to replace it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the most common screen flickering issues. This solution helped me solve my own flickering problem, and I hope they work for you too. If you still have trouble after trying all these steps, it might be time to contact a technician for further help. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Bye.